How to add collaboration on your Instagram post, and then you can simply post it. For this, open your Instagram application or website on the web, and then you have to click on the create option to create a post. Select from your computer the image you want to upload as a collaboration. You should select that and open it in front of you. You can crop the image and then click on the next to upload this. Choose filter, adjustment, or anything you want to add on this image. Then click on the next, finish all the editing, and then come to the caption setting. But in the accessibility setting here, and I will click on advanced setting. There is nothing to view right now, but I will be able to see the add collaboration option in the same menu if you have updated your Instagram on your phone. You will see the option on your phone if you're using it. I can simply add the location or the caption in my photo right now on the PC. So this is the step you can follow on your mobile phone, and then you can simply do it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel for watching such updates like this.